Hello my foodies! Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Keep watching to see how I made this delicious Italian dessert tiramisu, which is super easy to assemble. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment to my videos. To start, add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream into a large mixing bowl. And start mixing until it becomes nice and fluffy. It takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes. Notice that it is still runny and add 1 can of condensed milk. Last bits of the condensed milk and good quality vanilla extract. At this point, we're all done with the whipping cream. No more mixing. In a different bowl, mix 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Just to loosen it up and make it extra fluffy. At this point, we can already mix the mascarpone cheese and the heavy whipping cream together. And add some more vanilla extract. We're done with the cream. You can see some lumps in here, but please don't overmix it. Prepare the lady fingers. Coffee, rum, and vanilla mixture. And finally, we can start assembling our tiramisu. Gently dip the lady fingers into the coffee mixture and place them in the serving pan until the whole layer is complete. Divide the cream into 2 parts and spread evenly. Repeat the process one more time for the second layer, since we're gonna have 2 layers. Use every drop of the coffee mixture and with the cream, cover all the gaps and the corners. And as a final touch, cover the top layer with unsweetened cocoa powder. And before you cut it, chill it in the fridge for overnight or at least 4 to 5 hours. Just see how nice and creamy it turned out. Yummy. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment to my videos. I love you all and see you next time.